Hi, in this video we'll show you how to use our Stair Artist Stair Design tool to help visualize your staircase before you decide which parts you want to purchase. So the first thing to do is go into your search bar and type in houseofforgings.net. Then once on the website, click on the Stair Artist icon or go to the Design Center tab, then go down and click on the Staircase Design tool. Click on the link that will open a new window for the Stair Design tool. Now that we're inside, let's go over all the buttons and see what each one does. I like to have my Stair Artist tool in full screen mode, so I'll click on the full button. If you want to exit, click on the button again, which now says Exit Full, or you can hit the Escape key on your keyboard. Choose the background you'd like to set your stair parts in. I like the Paint Grade Closed Rake number 4, so I'll just click on it and I'll change my background. Keep in mind that when you select your background and set your parts inside, you cannot click on a different background and keep all the parts in place. You'll have to redo all the stair parts in the background. Now let's go and add some parts. On the Parts tab, you'll find two tabs, Balusters and Twist. If you click on the balusters, it will give you the choice between balusters and newels. I'll need to add 2 newels to my staircase, so I'll click on the newels. Notice the tab Twist has changed to iron newels. That is because these are the different categories of newels. I want to go with wood open face newels, so I'll just click there and now I get to choose which one I want. You can scroll left or right by clicking on the arrows to the left or right of the picture, and the circles on the bottom of the picture indicate where you are when you're scrolling. You can also select a certain circle to skip straight to that part. There are 2 ways to place parts. You can simply drag and drop them, or you can click on the spot you want them to be, and then click on the part you want to be there. Now going back into balusters, let's take a look at the Twist tab. When you click on it, you can see the other different baluster categories. I really like the alto, so I'll scroll all the way down and click on it. Then I'll select where I want to place my parts, and then select my part, and now they're all in place. Now, I really don't like the panels that I placed, but I don't want to have to click on each one and then hit delete. So all you have to do is go over to the Pick tab, and this displays all of the parts that are in your design. Click on the part number of the parts you want to replace, and then they will all be selected, and now I can hit delete, or I can go back to the Parts tab and select the part I want to replace it with. If you accidentally select something, just click on it again to unselect it. One tip when dragging and dropping parts, if you accidentally place it in the wrong spot, you can just click on it and drag it to the place you want it to be. The red rectangle shows you where it will be placed, and then let go and it's placed. Selection is better for quickly moving and replacing parts. Once you decide you are finished, click on the Save button. This will give you a number that you can type in here to see it again. My number is 42526. Record this number or you won't be able to pull up your design again. You can also email this to someone or even yourself. You can print this so you have a physical image, and there are even buttons to share on Facebook, Pinterest, or Google+. Now say you want to view your design again, click on the Load button. Type in the code you were given when you hit save and your design will pop up. Say you want to change something, go ahead and change it up, and then hit save and record the new number to your new design. You can have multiple designs as long as you record the different numbers. If you have nothing selected, be careful because the delete button will now become the clear button, and if you click on it, that will clear the whole picture. Say you have a layout key from our stair design booklet. Click on the load button and then you can type in the layout key that you saw in the booklet. If you haven't seen our video, how to download and view the stair design booklet, take a look at it now. It'll explain the designs and layout key in more depth. I'll type in the 32674 layout key that was in the booklet and hit enter, and then that design will show up in the center of the program. You can alter this just like we did with our own staircase creation, dragging and dropping parts, replacing parts, selecting and deleting parts. Once you're done modifying the layout, you can hit save and get your new layout key. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and we look forward to being your staircase suppliers.